On a late night in December, police were called to the Gainesville Regional Airport in Florida because of a woman causing a disturbance. The 42-year-old woman, later identified as Mercedes Ochoa Gonzalez, was disrupting travelers and aggressively demanding money. She had been asked repeatedly to stop harassing people and leave the property. What started as a simple trespassing complaint soon took a dramatic and unexpected turn. Upon arrival, officers found the woman causing a scene, her behavior growing increasingly erratic as travelers looked on uneasily. What unfolded next caught the officers completely off guard.
Can you call 911, please? That's all I ask. Tell them that I'm going to be stand up and the bus stop. Please. He's just trying to mess with me because my kid being stolen from the drug dealers.
I'm trying to get you on the bus that comes at 8:30. It's coming at the 8:30.
I don't want you close to me. Back off. Fake police. You're doing fine whatever you do.
Signal point 2 at the front of the airport.
Okay?
If I can get 138, please.
I was asking.
Proceed 10-4.
You think you're going to kill or hold on an animal? You're going to have consequences.
Right now, all you're doing is yelling and causing
I'm not afraid. What are you going to do? You're going to shoot me?
No, I want you to get on the bus and leave. It's going to be coming at 8:30.
At 8:30?
And it's going to be down there.
Yes,
where that
but
is.
you're there.
So let's walk back
so
down there.
I walk here because you follow me. So stop following me and back.
I'll watch you walk back
Go
down
back
there.
to the school
back on the
and
sidewalk.
learn how human rights are because you just work for the drug dealer, motherfucker.
Come back on the sidewalk and walk down there.
Shut up. Go f*** your mother, okay? And back.
Thank you. Don't walk in the road for me.
It's my decision, it's my life. You bother me.
Get off the road. You need to get off the road. Alright? No, I'm not. I want you to get off the road.
Hey, someone call 911!
I want you to get
He
off the
wants to
road.
kill me!
Stay right here. Stay right here. Don't bite me.
Get up! Get up! Someone call 911! He's harassing me!
Yep.
Stop it, stop resisting. Stop it,
Stop resisting.
hit me.
Get up! Get
Stop
up!
resisting.
If you resist, it's gonna get
Stop
tighter.
resisting.
Stop resisting and kicking the officer.
Stop resisting.
You're the one harassing me! Stop touching me!
Hey, Porter, she's fighting.
Stop harassing me! What you're gonna have consequences.
It's gonna
Okay?
get tighter. It's gonna get tighter. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
This person is the drug! Open the drug dealers! You think you're gonna get away with this, right? You don't have an idea.
No, unit GP 1001 is 1033, GP
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Help me!
Channel 2, 2019.
Motherfucker.
Don't hit me.
Motherfucker. You're breaking. You're breaking.
You're pushed over.
Break it.
I don't want to break it.
Got it?
Don't fight me.
Stop it.
Stop resisting.
Call 911, please. These police are fake police working for the drug dealers. They kill my kids. Sir, call 911. It's a fake police for the drug dealers, sir. Call 911, sir, please.
Stop resisting.
Sir, call them. He's harassing me and the bus is coming. He's firing me 2 men.
Okay.
Sir,
So it's kind of wrapped around.
ow.
She's fighting.
Yeah, fight.
Probably one more. Signal 13 here.
Yes, that's the man that in the field makes good, right? Fake police. Treat the woman like that.
You want to try to get him behind her or no?
No, I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm talking to him.
Maybe one more gets
You
here.
know, not a situation. You just
Yeah, I'm not listening to you right now.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, whoever's the next post is up there, have them en route, and then Echo 5 whenever she goes to me, and I'll leave it to whenever else we tonight.
That was poor Tom, and I just came from the other side of town.
I was in the bus stop. Check the camera.
That's for me to reference bite to the arm just to clean it up, please.
Because he dropped me on the floor when I was in the
literally
bus
just left
stop.
this side of town.
Check the camera, sir.
Never.
Can you do me a favor?
Stop.
Can you just get his information for me, please?
I cannot breathe. I have issues.
Okay, well, maybe you shouldn't have been an officer.
He don't have to use the power abuse and kick me down when I was in the bus stop, sir.
After she finally settles down and lets the officers arrest her, Mercedes is fairly certain that one of the arresting officers is working for the drug cartels and doesn't stop urging the others to keep her information away from him, thinking he'll get her within the cartel's crosshairs that ended her children's lives.
Take my papers away from him, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Put another.
Take a seat.
He'll work for the whole. He's gonna put more people in danger. Papa, please. Take away my. Look, he's looking for phone calls. You're gonna put more people in danger. Take away my paper from him and then give it to your people. I was in the bus stop. Check the camera. He jumped on me and break my name and my arm, and both of them were kicking me down and the bus stop. I was screaming because I was trying to tell the people who call 911.
Ma'am, what are you hurt medically?
My neck and my arm. Both arms, they were trying to, and they jumped on me, both of them.
Okay.
That's why I was screaming to
What's
call
your name?
911.
What's your name?
Mercedes.
What's your last name?
It's not the first time. They always against me when I ask for help everywhere I go.
I'm
He's a traffic police. He works for the drug dealers. My kid was
I'm just here to speak to you about your medical. We're here for medical.
He bent my neck
Do you want to go to
and
the
my
hospital?
arm.
Would you like to go to the hospital?
Please.
Via ambulance.
And with them, but not with him. He can follow me, but not him. Please.
I can't decide on that, but you want to go by ambulance. Okay.
Allegedly. How do you feel if they jump on you and not stop you?
But this Corporal Walsh, do you have anything in your pockets that's going to poke her, stick her, or anything
You can
like
check
that?
me. I don't have
Okay,
nothing.
I'm gonna go ahead and stand up for me.
He was abused and I was in the bus stop trying to take the bus because my bus is able to people like this. Follow me everywhere. I'm not the only voice in my bus.
Okay.
She has to go rescue me. You can go, you guys.
I was screaming.
I'll follow.
Okay.
Just take away my
If she's arrested, one of y'all will have to try to do that.
That's why I have to defend myself.
Spread your feet apart. Stand wide there.
So, you don't have an address down here? Okay.
I just came to ask help for my friend, but she's afraid and she suggests me to get out in the bus of 6:30, but they cancel
We're
it.
gonna go sit in the back of my car again.
Can you make sure my identification for Homeland Security
Yep,
is
as soon
there?
as you're in my car, I can go do all of that, okay? Ethan, I'm coming over you. Go ahead and take a seat for me.
Coward.
That's not the same one, that's a different one.
You are a coward.
Swing your feet in for me.
You protected the killer of my kids and the rest of my kids. Coward, fake police from
Is this all hers?
That's all hers.
She's worried about this.
Does that got ID stuff in it?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what
Homeland Security paperwork. Mercedes Ochoa.
Gonzalez lives on there or just Ochoa?
Yeah, she told her, yeah. Mercedes Ochoa Gonzalez.
Alright.
Do you need any of that?
I got her name and her birthday. That's all I got. There's nothing else on that.
I literally left this side of town and went back to the other side. You already checked the outside pockets?
Yeah. Next time I go by a lot quicker. This can go.
To the jail?
Yeah. It's like a.
I knew it was a charge, I just didn't know if it could go to jail.
rest is crap, I know. Even though
He's a fake police. I'm sorry. He worked for the drug dealer. Not everybody, the lady was treating me with respect. He was the one just came from inside to try to stop me and the bus stopped.
After all that, Mercedes finally accepts her fate and lets them take her to the hospitals to get checked. She is now calm and does her best to cooperate with all the authorities.
Alright, let's go inside. We're gonna go get you checked out, okay? Right up here, okay? Hello. We just need to get her medically cleared. She was complaining of some arm pain and some pain to her face and neck.
Last name? Joe Gonzalez. How do I spell that?
Ch-
Ochoa and Gonzalez Gonzalez. OCHOA and then GONZALEZ. I got two last names.
It's hyphenated.
Your last name? Mercedes. Mercedes. And my middle name is Olympia. Olympus, or whatever.
My car over here, okay? Take a seat for me. And we'll get you over there real quick, okay?
Despite the officers not finding anything incriminating while searching her belongings, Mercedes Ochoa Gonzalez will still be facing charges of resisting an officer with and without violence and battery on a security guard. If she is convicted, she is looking at a sentence of up to 10 years in prison, not to mention putting her immigration status in jeopardy.